Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your Telemundo application from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open App Store on your iOS device or Play Store on your Android. Once you've done that, simply on the search bar, simply go ahead and search for Telemundo and make sure that you've downloaded and installed this application. Finally, go ahead and tap on the open. And once it has opened on your device, all you need to do is on the top right hand side, there's going to be a little person icon that you want to tap on. And now, as you can see, there's Initial Session, which is on the left side, and then there's Registrarse. So that is all in Spanish, or I'm guessing, right? So on the left hand side, that is what you want to tap on in order for you to go ahead and log in, and just go ahead and enter your email up top, password on the bottom, and click on the initial session, which will simply go ahead and sign in into your account. If not, you can simply go ahead and continue from your Google account or continue from your Apple account there on the bottom. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you